Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Teguh Hermawan. I'm from Business Education A 2017, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I'm going to present about my internship program report at PT Bank BRI Syariah, Branch Office Fatmawati, that have been accomplished with him 1 month. Next, I did this internship at PT Bank BRI Syariah Tbk Branch Office Fatmawati, which is location on Hospital Fatmawati Raya Street nomor 109 South Gandaria, Kecamatan Cilandak, South, Jakarta Selatan. Implementation. I start my internship from January 20th until February 20th, 2020. The schedule of this internship is from Monday to Friday, with work time from 7:30 a.m. until 40, with work time from 7:30 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. and the break time is from 12 p.m. until 30 p.m. History. I would like you to tell you about the history of the company. Acquisition of PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia Persero Tbk against Bank Jasa Arta on December 1927. Decided a license from Bank Indonesia on October 16, 28 through 0.10 1967 Cap GBI DPG 28 and finally officially began operating on November 17, 28. And second, on December 1928, PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia Syariah Tbk signed the deed of separation of the Syariah business unit of PT Rakyat Indonesia Persero Tbk and to merge into PT Bank BRI Syariah Tbk became effective on January 2nd, 29. Signed by Mr. Sofyan Basir as President Director of PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia Persero Tbk and Mr. Fenci Raharjo as President Director of PT Bank BRI Syariah Tbk. And then currently PT Bank BRI Syariah Tbk became the third largest Islamic bank by asset. PT Bank BRI Syariah Tbk grew rapidly both in terms of asset, the amount of financing of the acquisition of third-party funding. Organization structure. Now, about the organizational structure, here is the organizational structure where I was placed during internship in the marketing division. Mrs. Valin Tristanti Ayu as my marketing manager and mentor. General activity. PT Bank BRI Syariah Division Marketing has some general activities such as canvassing, recommendation, analysis of customer character, appraisal, financing process, akad financing, and then after akad financing, field of work. Next, I will explain the field of work that I did in this internship, such as canvassing. In the canvassing process, marketing goes directly to the field looking for potential customer. As marketing that goes directly to the field, it is necessary to have knowledge of areas that have the potential to see whether the area has the possibility of buying or selling transaction, investing, and the high level of financing. Appraisal. In the analysis of the appraisal, the bank assess security object prospective customer, whether me or not. Here is an example of the analysis of the appraisal with a home already on the appraisal process, such as by checking DHN blacklist of customer, LKN customer visit reports, collateral appraisal report, documentation, location map, letter of assignment, sheet statement, collateral inspection, certificate of land, IMB, PBB, checking count, personal data, SIUP, trading business license, the company restriction, SP3, financing principal agreement, and then liquidation value. Financing process. After assessing well the next stage of the financing process, at this stage the bank will review all subsumption by attacking SP3 customer financing principal agreement. Akad financing. Distribution of financing which can be carried out at BRI Syariah Bank office, customer home, notary office, and customer business office. Maintenance or billing is carried out at the end the month. Marketing will visit the customer place of business or residence to collect payment obligation for financing. And then repayment. At repayment, the customer will be notified and offered again to make financing at Bank BRI Syariah. If not interest, again the customer can visit the BRI Syariah office to carry out the repayment process and take the guard. Obstacle. When I did my internship, I got some obstacle in there. That is 1. Limited communication, and then operate an office application system. Problem solving. Limited communication. I have trouble taking to order collection in marketing. I try to establish good communication and ask if anything is not. Implement so that it creates a conducive and comfortable atmosphere. According to Tommy Suparto, communication is a process that describes who say what, with what, to whom, and what connection. Operate an office application system. I adjust myself to using an application system that has never been used before by doing tasks that require the application system. Meanwhile, according to Adams, 1987, in Mohraj and Selfarge 2013, adjustment is a condition where a person can interact with his environment to meet the needs of socializing with the place where it is. Hassan et al. 2014. Conclusion. During the internship program report, a lot of the knowledge gained by me that is able to know how to work the marketing division at PT Bank BRI Syariah branch office Fatmawati. I can figure out the mechanism of financing and administration of customer financing in PT Bank BRI Syariah, which began when the process of filling up the distribution process. In conducting marketing activity, there are some obstacles that arise, such as in communication between employee and the use of enterprise application system that have never operated before BMI. And then The existence of the internship program report is one of the efforts made in fostering a cooperative relationship between the Jakarta State University and PT Bank BRI Syariah Branch Office Fatmawati. Okay, closure. I guess that all for the presentation about my internship program report. Thank you for all the kind attention that you have give to me from the beginning until now. And I'm sorry if I had some mistake during the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.